here's we continue from our reading. So this is lesson 15. We're gonna practice more reading Khmer alphabets and vowels here. So to continue from lesson 14, we are going to learn about lesson 15. We're gonna learn the samlapi here, so the two dots in front of on top of the row. So again, this letter is to make the sound, the second series sound become the first series sound, and only about 6 letters only that you can put this little dot on. Okay, so let's practice together here. So row originally is row, but when you put this little dot on top on it, it become raw, become all sound. Okay, so raw, ra, re, ray, r, ru, 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 r, ru, ria, re, rai, rai, rao, rau, rom, rom, ram, ra, ro, re, ro. Ram rai. So ram rai. Ro na ro. Ro is ro. Na ro. Ta chum chu ram rai. So ro na ro, here's a picture, is a saw for cutting wood here. We call in Khmer, we say ro na ro. Ro na ro. Ro na ro. Okay. And here ta chum chu ram rai. So chu ram rai is like a chronic disease. So he's like he's a chronic sickness here. So look at this is Ta Chum. Ta Chum is the name of this old sick man, and Chu Ram Rai is chronic sickness. Okay. So it has a letter on the bottom here. So Ta Chum Chu Ram Rai. Okay. Okay, next one here, we're gonna learn the vowel sound. Vowel there. So vowel is a second series, is O sound, but when you put this little dot on top of it, it becomes wa, wa, wa. So wa, wa, we, wei, wuk, wu, wuk, wu, wu, ver, wu, wir, we, wai, wai. Wow, wow, wom, wom, wam, wa, wo, we, wa. Quầy, chợ, vỉa. Bù vỡ, quầy cù. Bù vỡ, quầy cù. Chợ, và chè vỉa. Chợ và chè vỉa. Here, so here the picture is a baby is crawling. So chợ và chè vỉa. So chợ và is the name of this baby. Chè vỉa and scrolling. Chợ và chè vỉa. Okay. Chào và chè vỉa. Okay. So let's go to a review, buddy, here. So it's a Rian Sa language. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7 letters here that you can put the little dot on top of it. So all these letters are actually is a secondary consonants. But when you put this little dot on top of each of these consonants, it becomes the all sound. Okay. So let's practice a little bit of reading here. So ngô, sầm lạp bị ngò, so ngà, nhắm, bấy, mái, muỗm, giấy, ráy, ruộng, vẽ, cha bày, rô già, rô mé, rô mò, răm rày, ta vào, nhẹ nhỏ, hao bào, hao bào, cháu ra bù cái ruộng chảy dầm, cháu ra bù cái ruộng chảy dầm, mai bồ na pa hao bào khảo. So here the exercise here. So say lum hat mean exercise. 1, Chô chữ rứ bịa một sò xế ao trơ nâng rúp khang krao. So here's the word here. They want to select this letter to put in the right picture here. Okay. Exercise number 2 is about chô srong bịa đại đô pi rõ tới chia ủ ở bàn chấm nôn 3 bịa. Okay. So I hope guys you enjoy this and please practice reading by yourself at home and through the video. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye. Okay. So now we go to trace up here. So there are some cases that also the first series it also can become the second series by putting this little sign on top of it. So in Khmer we call it trace up. Trace up. So when you put trace up into certain consonants in Khmer, so this first series become the second series. Okay, so bo trace up bo is O sound, become the second series. Bo, bia, bi, b, b, bu, 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 bơ, bư, bia, bê, bé, bấy, báo, bảo, bấm, bom, bấm, ba, bo, be, bo. Sa bù, sa bù, sa bù, pi đồng. Sa bù pi đồng. Bô na đô sa bù. Bô na đô sa bù. So sabu it means soap. Sabu. Sabu pi đồng like 2 pieces of sabu. So here's a note, important note here. They say trace up. This little dot I just told you this moment. Chia វណ្ណយុត្តសម្រាប់ប្រើលើព្យញ្ញៈ4ទូគឺបសហអ So trace up only used with only 4 letters from first series to second series when you put the trace up on top of these 4 letters. So bo, so, ha, o. So all these 4 are first series sound, the o sound. But when you put the trace up, it becomes the second series. Okay. So let's go with this here. So trace up, so, si, 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 su, 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 sủa, sớ, sứ, xía, xé, xé, sấy, số, sứ, súng, xóm, sống, xóm, xế, so, xế, so. Xì, su, xàm, phía xì, to su, cao su. Dù thía tỏ su ca pia đầy cỏ. Dù thía tỏ su ca pia đầy cỏ. So cao su here. Rubber. Stretch. Cao su is dù thía. So the picture here. So dù thía tỏ su ca pia đầy cỏ. Okay, next one is ho. So ho, trace up ho. Ho. Hía, hí, hí, hứ, hứ, hú, 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 hớ, hứ, hía, hế, hé, hấy, hảo, hử, húm, húm, hóm, he, hú, hé, hò. Tao hùa, tao hù, tao hù. Ta bi pizza tau hu. So tau hu is like tofu. Tofu và tau hu. O here. So o is the sound is first series. So when you put trace up, o trace up o. O trace up o. So o, i, i, ư, ư, u, ủa, ư, ía, ế, é, ấy, ớ, om, e, u, e, ua. U, u, ro, u. Và so u, ro, u. Ti, ni, u, so u, it means noisy. Ya, cho, ro, u. So u, when there are many people, and u, noises. And we go to Marine Sign Language review for the 4 letters with the trace up here. So bo, so, ho, o. Sa, bu. Sa, bu, cao, su. Tao, hu, ro, u, hư, hà. Chào bi, tha, tì, ni, u, Chào bi, tha, tì, ni, u, A, ký, che, si, tao, hu. Cột má, khom, tò, su, tư, xà, la. Okay, let's go exercise here. Và chô bồng pinh sạ rư vần rút ở trơ nâng rúp khẳng krào. So we wanted to fill up here the trace up, okay? The last one is to say a soft strong, so they want to write nhớ for several times the same letter to practice your writing, okay? So guys, thank you very much for your time watching this video. I hope you like it, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.